Hello everyone, this is Aruhi and welcome to the 7th lecture of Python for Data Science program. Today you will learn what are modules and how to use modules. So modules are basically a file which contain Python code. Okay, so see basically modules are of two types, user defined module and predefined module. So I'll show you one by one how to use user defined module and how to use predefined module. So first of all I'm showing you how to use user defined module. User defined module means we can create our own modules and we can use them ourselves. Okay, so how to do it? So see, I have one file. This is the file second module. Okay, so there is one more file with the name of first module. So what I'm trying to say over here is create two files. This is my folder. In this particular folder, I have two files, two Jupyter notebook. First is first module.ipnb and second module.ipynb. So create two Jupyter notebooks. So the code in first module Jupyter notebook, in that file just write this code. What is this? I'm creating a function and this function is responsible for printing this. All right, so now we have this function in first module file. Now let's suppose I want to use this particular function or whatever code we have in this particular file, we want to use this particular code in another file. So what we can do? Let's go to another file. This is my another file. This is with the name of second module. In this second module file, I want to call the function which I have created in first module file. Which function we have created in this particular file? This fun1. I have declared this function over here in first module file. Now I want to call this function in second module file. So what you need to do for that? First of all, you need to write import and the file name. So the file name is first module and you need to write import in front of that. Import is a keyword used for importing the code of another files. Right. So what we are doing is we want to import the code which is present in this file. So for importing that you need to write this. Right. So what is the function name over here? fun1. So the very first thing is you need to import it like this and then you need to write this line. Means from this first module, I want to call the function 1. So what is there in that function 1? Hello from first module. See over here. Hello from first module. Right. So what we have just done, we have declared the function in different file and we are calling that function over here. Now what is the benefit of doing this? See, right now you will not understand the the main functionality of it, because see in future when you are going to work on complex project, when you have lots of code in a single file, sometimes things get complicated. Just to have a clean code, you can create separate Python file and you can divide your whole project code in separate modules, and then whenever you want to have particular code, you just need to import the file name and you can import that particular function which you want to use. This will help you understand your code better and you can organize the code which you have for your project in a proper way. All right, so this is what I have done. So what you need to do is you will create two separate files, create a function in one file and call the function in another file, and for that you just need to write import and the file name, and while calling just write the file name and the function name which you want to call over there. Okay, and one more thing to remember. See, this first module dot ipnb file, then I have created the Python version of it. This is again an important step. Whenever you want to create your module, that module file should be a Python file, not IPYNB file. Okay. Now how to create this Python file? So for that, just click on file, download as, click on py, you will get a py file for it. Okay, then put this py file from that downloads folder into the current working directory folder, right? Your module will get imported only if that module is in py format. Means if that file is a Python file, then only you can import it. All right. So this is how you can create your own modules, right? Now let's see what are predefined module. Predefined module means the modules which are already present in a Python, right? So for example, calendar. So just import calendar. So calendar module is already present when you install Python. So this module will also get installed on your PC. Okay. So in cal variable, I'm calling this calendar module dot month. From this calendar module, I want to use a month method and I want to see 12th month of year 2020. And this is what we are getting, right? So what is the difference between predefined module and user-defined module? Predefined modules are modules which are already present in Python and we can import directly them by writing a import. And user-defined modules are those modules which you create yourself and you call them as we have done like this. Okay. So guys, this is what modules are. Thank you.